कॉमर्स के फील्ड में बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस कैरियर ऑप्शन है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी के एग्जाम्स और प्रोसेस के बारे में गाइड करने के लिए आज हमारे बीच में अवेलेबल हैं मिस्टर प्रशांत बिजासपुर। मिस्टर प्रशांत बिजासपुर इज हिमसेल्फ अ सीए. He completed all stages of chartered accountancy in first stage itself. When he became a CA, he was one of the youngest CA in India. He is passionate about motivating and guiding students. Please welcome Mr. Prashant Bijaspure.
It's extremely privilege to be here at Shine Group of Institution. I'm very thankful to people in management who have invited me here to address a large number of people here. So thank you sir. I as a school boy was a very childish and a very naughty and a very low scoring guy. So I used to quarrel almost daily with my friends and also what used to happen, I used to take those quarrels to my home, and there were many notes from the principal about my attitude in my school. So such a naughty guy who used to score very much low. I remember that day wherein my parents wept for me. They cried a lot for me. I know that day when they had wept for me, that is the day when a spirit of burning desire started within me. What am I doing? I have to do something. I have to do something for me. I have to do something for my parents. That burning desire which instilled a sense of motivation within me, and that motivation which was instilled at that particular point of the time, it is still alive, and I know it is going to be alive till my last breath. My dear friends, when I can do something, you can do everything. When I was nothing, I have did something. When you have everything, you can do everything. You can do miracles. Every child on this earth is born with some exceptional qualities. जब मैं कर सकता हूँ, आप कर सकते हो मेरे दोस्त, आप सब लोग कर सकते हो. तो अपने में भी कुछ जज्बा जगाइए, कुछ करना है जिंदगी में. Have that burning desire. That burning desire will take you towards success. Now let me talk on other issues, like what are the qualities required to crack some toughest exams of this India, or you can say the toughest exams of the world, a chartered accountancy course, an actuaries, and Indian administrative services. What are the exceptional qualities required for this to crack? Most important. So first, my friends, you have to instill a important quality within you to get up early in the morning. You have to get up early in the morning. You have to become physically and mentally fit. Once you are physically and mentally fit, nobody can conquer you. You can conquer everything. So you have to be first physically and mentally fit. How to become physically and mentally fit? There is a lot of commitment required for this. Lot of commitment. To get up early in the morning is not so easy. You try to find all these successful people in the history. All these people get up early in the morning. They get up early in the morning and they practice some physical and mental fitness activity. To become physical and mentally fit, you have to at least perform gym, or else you go for a some skill based classes for yoga. Try to practice meditation, and I think this meditation will give you a lot of inner energy. So please try to become physically and mentally fit so that you can become a very successful person. Next quality is believe in yourself. Swami Vivekananda ji said, he who is an atheist who does not believe in himself, he who does not believe in himself cannot believe in God. If you want to be successful, you believe in yourself. Unless and until you don't believe in yourself, you cannot do anything. आपको पहचानिए, आप अपने में विश्वास करिए, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. डेवलप राइट एटीट्यूड. It's very priority to develop a right attitude within you. I'll just narrate you one simple story of two woodcutters. एक वुडकटर एक गांव में बहुत जल्दी उठता था, डेली 10 घंटा काम करता था, और एक वुडकटर डेली सुबह वो भी उठता था, 3 घंटा सिर्फ काम करता था. दोनों भी सेम लॉग्स ऑफ वुड्स लेके आते थे. बट यू नो वाई वो जो दूसरा वुडकटर है वो कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा कर पाया? इट इज ओनली बिकॉज सुबह डेली उठता था और अपना एक्स को शार्प करता था. फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. ही हैड एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ गेटिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. ही यूज्ड टू sharpen his axe, and that is why he could do very efficiently the work. So attitude makes you different. Right attitude makes you different. So please develop a right attitude. Failing to plan is planning to fail. जिंदगी में जो इंसान प्लान नहीं करता है, he is planning to fail. कोई भी काम करना है, first plan. You have to plan everything in your life. Without plan, don't perform any actions. So that is why thought with action gives you a guaranteed success. Thought with action is most important flavor for your guaranteed success. I will just narrate you one simple story to understand how important is this. एक बार एक स्विमिंग पूल के पास 3 बच्चे बैठे थे. फर्स्ट बच्चा, उसने देखा बहुत सारे लोग स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं, तो उसको बहुत एक्साइटिंग लगा, तो उसने डायरेक्टली छलांग मार दी उसने स्विमिंग पूल में. तो जब डायरेक्टली छलांग मारा उसने, तो सिंपल है कि वो हेल्प करके चिल्लाने लगा, एंड ही कुडंट सस्टेन. दिस इज अ गारंटीड वे टुवर्ड्स फेल्योर. एक्शन विदाउट थॉट. सोचा नहीं, लेकिन उसने छलांग लगा दी उसने. लेकिन सेकंड जो बच्चा है, उसने वो फर्स्ट बच्चे का इंसिडेंट देख के ही वॉज वेरी अफ्रेड, एंड उसने कभी जिंदगी में छलांग लगाने का सोचा ही नहीं. तो यहां पर दिस इज ऑल्सो गारंटीड वे टुवर्ड्स फेल्योर. एक्शन, नो एक्शन. नो एक्शन with thought. Thought without action. Action without thought. These two are absolutely a guaranteed way towards failure. The third बच्चा जो है, उसने वहाँ पे देखा कि सब बच्चे जो स्विमिंग सीख रहे हैं, उसको पता था कि उसको स्विमिंग नहीं आता है, और जब स्विमिंग नहीं आता है उसने सीखा, सीखने के बाद फिर उसने छलांग लगाया. तो ये क्या है? दिस इज थॉट विथ एक्शन. Thought with action is a guaranteed way towards success. So friends, kindly have a thought and have an action. An action without thought is absolutely a failure. A thought without action is absolutely a failure. Focus on building a right character. I'll just narrate you a simple story. एक दिन एक बहुत बड़ा आदमी एक शिल्पी के पास आया. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे सुंदर मूर्तियाँ देखा उसने, और शिल्पी से पूछा, साहब इतना सुंदर मूर्तियाँ कैसे बनाते हो? तो शिल्पी ने जवाब दिया, मैं कुछ बड़ा काम नहीं करता हूँ साहब. जो बड़े पत्थर में से जो अनवांटेड छोटे छोटे पत्थरें हैं, तो उसको हटाते जाता हूँ, तब मूर्ति बनता है. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, दैट वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस द बेस्ट क्वालिटीज. बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस हमको अडॉप्ट करना है, बैड हैबिट्स हमको अवॉइड करना है. सो दिस विल मेक यू मोर सक्सेसफुल, एंड यू हैव टू बिकम वेरी मच स्किल्ड. नॉलेज इज पावर, फैंटास्टिक, बट स्किल विल मेक यू मोर पावरफुल. स्किल विल मेक यू टू कॉन्कर द होल थिंग. तो स्किल्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको मैं सिंपल एक एग्जाम्पल बताता हूँ कि हम लोग हमारे प्रोफेशन में सिर्फ नॉलेज इनेबल्ड रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. नॉलेज के साथ साथ में कंप्यूटर आना, आईटी स्किल्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये एक्स्ट्रा एडेड स्किल्स जो है, दिस आर चेरी ऑन अ केक. ये स्किल्स आपको बहुत काम में आता है, तो प्लीज इन्वेस्ट इन बिल्डिंग अ स्किल्स विद इन यू। आपको उन स्किल्स को रिस्किल करना है, अपस्किल भी करना है। थिंक ग्लोबली एंड एक्ट लोकली। माय फ्रेंड्स, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू थिंक ग्लोबली एंड एक्ट लोकली। हमको कभी अपना संस्कार नहीं भूलना है, हमको वैल्यूज नहीं भूलना है। वी हैव टू बियर द हाईएस्ट एथिकल वैल्यूज। इसीलिए बोला जाता है विद्या के साथ विनय होनी चाहिए। जिस दिन विनय विद्या से हटता है उस दिन से दुष्काल के तरफ हम पहुंचते हैं, दुष्काल के तरफ जाते हैं। तो एजुकेशन विथआउट एथिकल वैल्यूज is equal to destruction. It is always said education minus ethical values is equal to destruction. So my friends, please bear highest ethical values. Next, my friends, let me understand who is a chartered accountant. A chartered accountant is a financial doctor. हम लोग पैसे की इलाज करते हैं। Every pretty small businessman needs a chartered accountant. Chartered accountant works in a very different area. ऑडिट एंड एश्योरेंस, टैक्सेशन, फिनेंशियल डिसीजंस, बहुत सारे मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी के पीछे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स लोग हेल्प करते हैं उनको डिसीजंस लेने में, फिनेंशियल डिसीजंस लेने में। सिंपल सी बात कहूँ तो एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एक फिनेंशियल डॉक्टर है। ही इज़ अ फिनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट, ही वर्क्स इन द एरियाज ऑफ फिनांस। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इन अ सिंपल टर्म्स। व्हाट्स प्री रिक्विजिट टू बिकम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट? A very simple thing, you have to clear your 12th. आप अगर 12th क्लियर हुए हैं, PUC2 क्लियर्ड है, तो you can pursue your chartered accountancy course. Yes, you can become a chartered accountant. Even if you are from BCom, MCom, engineering people, yeah, everybody can do chartered accountant course, okay? They can pursue the chartered accountancy course, no problem. Then friends, let us understand how to pursue CA course. There are two ways, either CA foundation or direct entry scheme. CA foundation route is once you clear 12th, you have to enter through CA foundation route. Let me clear you, to become a chartered accountant, you will have to undergo 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 is CA foundation, level 2 is CA intermediate and level 3 is CA final. So once you clear your PU2, you have to pursue your CA foundation and then CA inter and CA final. There is another route called direct entry scheme route. So that is for people who have cleared their graduation, who can directly enter level 2 by clearing their graduation, okay. Level 1 CA foundation, there are totally 4 subjects having 100 marks each for each paper, and passing criteria is aggregate 50% and subject wise it is 40%. So the passing criteria is bit complicated to understand. You please understand very clearly that out of 4 subjects, if you score all 100 out of 100 for 3 subjects and one is you are scoring only 30, that means you are completely failed. आप फेल हो चुके हैं. The only reason is your 2 criteria are most important. One is aggregate 50% criteria and second is your subject wise 40% criteria. Both have to be fulfilled to clear this CA foundation course. Now let me understand what actually is direct entry scheme route. Direct entry scheme route is very simple. You can directly enter to CA course by pursuing level 2, that is CA inter. So who are these people who can pursue directly level 2? First, people who are commerce graduates, and second, people who are non-commerce graduate, third, people who have been pursuing the other professional courses. Commerce graduates, if they score at least 55%, then they can directly enter into level 2. Non-commerce graduates like engineering people who want to enter into CA course and directly pursue level 2, they have to score at least 60%, and other professionals like CS, CWA, cost accountant, these people if they want to pursue CA course directly level 2, then they have to at least clear their intermediate course. That is their level 2, they have to clear to come to our level 2. I hope you are very clear for this. Now let us see what is level 2 CA intermediate. Level 2 CA intermediate is the second level of CA courseware, wherein you will be having 8 subjects, each subject having 100 marks. And these subjects are divided into 2 different groups, one group consisting of 4 subjects, another group consisting of 4 subjects. For this, passing criteria is aggregate 50% and subject wise 40%. This is same as CA foundation. And there is something called exemption. If you score more than 60, then you need not to give once again that paper, even if you fail in the whole group. So, once you clear your level 2 intermediate, then you will have to undergo an articleship. So, before coming to articleship, you will have to pursue something called ICITSS, that is Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skills, that is 4 weeks course. That is a skill addition program by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and that has to be pursued and then it has to be cleared. They will issue you the certificate and then you will have to come for an articleship. So, articleship is totally for 3 years. There you may go in for articleship or else you may go in for industrial training, that is up to you, but articleship or industrial training is 3 years mandatory. Articleship you have to pursue. Yes, next we will see after completion of intermediate, there is something called ICITSS, that is Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skills. This is 4-week program which is hosted by our Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and this has to be pursued before entering into articleship. In CA course there is 3 years of mandatory articleship, and if you want you can opt in for industrial training. So, this 3 years of mandatory articleship is very important phase of your CA journey. So, you will seriously enjoy this. And during your phase of articleship, last year you will have to pursue advanced ICITSS, that is Advanced Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skills. This is also 4 weeks program. These are just the skill building program of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Now let us see what actually level 3 CA final is. Even CA final consists of 8 subjects of 100 marks each, divided into 2 groups having 4 subjects each group, group 1, group 2, 4 subjects, 4 subjects. Even this is same as that of passing criteria, aggregate 50% and per subject 40%. And here also there is a concept called an exemption. If you score more than 60%, then there is an exemption. Let us now look into the career opportunities for a chartered accountant. A chartered accountant can either run his own advisory firm, consult, or else he can practice. That is first thing he can do. Second thing, he can become an entrepreneur. You know very well that Kumar Mangalam Birla is also chartered accountant. So, he being a chartered accountant, he is an entrepreneur. Rakesh Junjunwala. So, all these are chartered accountants. So, chartered accountant second he can go in for an entrepreneurship. Third, he can get into employment at the CFO and CEO level. It's a very fantastic journey wherein you can get into big companies like Reliance, Infosys, Tatas. So, all these people can appoint you as a CFO and CEO if your calibers are fantastic. And fourth is you can enter into lectureship or a training way. So, these are the 4 career opportunities what we can see as a chartered accountant. There are some FAQs where students very frequently ask me, sir, is chartered accountancy a degree? Yeah, it's a professional degree. It's a professional degree, yes. And the next question, what is the duration of chartered accountancy course? The duration of chartered accountancy courses after PU2, you have to dedicate 4 years of time to become a chartered accountant. If you want to become a youngest chartered accountant, it's 4 years from clearing the PU2 exams. And third question is there any age limit to pursue chartered accountancy course? No age limit, nothing. Even at an age of 50, you can pursue the chartered accountancy course, no problem. Can I register can I register for CA Foundation once I have appeared in the PU2 exams? Yes, you can apply, but you need a hall ticket to be attached. Yeah, you can do it, but you have to clear your PU2 exams. First they will allot you the provisional registration, and once the provisional registration is allotted, then the final after producing the marks card, the numbers are allotted for you. And next, pursuing graduation along with CA, is it necessary? Yeah, it's very important for you to pursue the graduation along with the CA. Don't take risk in your life. This is a professional degree, but along with that, please pursue the graduation. Whichever graduation you need, you can pursue it. But never and ever take the risk of not pursuing any graduation, only just the CA courseware, okay? So, guys, thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk before you, and I also thank the management of Shine Group of Institution. Guys, I hope you got all the things very cleared and fantastic to talk before you all, and thank you, namaskar सबको, मेरा शुभकामनाएं. Thank you, thanks a lot.
आज के लिए इतना ही. कल डे 2 ऑफ सिंपोजियम में हमें एड्रेस करेंगे 3:30 PM पर मिस्टर मुकेश सहाय, डायरेक्टर ऑफ शाहीन सिविल सर्विसेज एकेडमी. वो हमें गाइड करेंगे SSC एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में. At 8 PM, we will be joined by Tulika Rani, former Air Force officer, who will guide us about CDS exam. So, please join us at www.shaheengroup.org.